Okay, so this week's a little weird. Freshmen on Tuesday have a conference, so this is going to adjust some of the things going on, and that's why I only have Monday and Wednesday posted. So, first thing is, I've posted videos and Zoom recordings relating to going over the colon and semicolon before. You need to finish IXL, II 1 through 3, and MM 2 through 4. Now, once we do that on Wednesday and possibly Friday for B-Day, depending on how things go, we are going to take this ACT colon and semicolon review. It's just a short 5-question quiz, and it is open for retakes, but it's timed and the answers rotate, so make sure you do your best on that. We're also going to finish up our journal. For this week, you should have 2, your 2021 different plans and your controversial argument. Okay. Now, depending on how the training goes, we are going to start the most dangerous game. I don't know if we're going to make it all the way through this week. We probably won't. However, I would read at least half of it if you're at home this week. In fact, I would recommend reading all of it because we're going to talk about a few different things, and it relates to our next discussion board for next week, which you need to start looking at as well. I know it's a crash course for this week, and it's a little hazy, but with everything going on, this is the best I can do now. So if you have questions as it comes this week, I can help out. So thanks, guys.